We, the maths teachers, welcome you back to the e-learning program. In the previous video, we have revised addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, properties of addition, word problems on addition. In today's video, let us revise subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, properties of subtraction, word problems on subtraction. Subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Let us understand the terms in subtraction. Minuend, a number from which another number is to be subtracted. Subtrahend, a number to be subtracted from another number is called subtrahend. Difference, the answer which we get after subtraction is called difference. For example, 54,269 minus 13,052. Here, 54,269 is a minuend, 13,052 is a subtrahend. The answer which we get here, that is 41,217, is the difference. And the symbol we use is minus. We follow these steps to subtract numbers. Step 1. Arrange the minuend and the subtrahend in a place value chart. Step 2. Subtract the digits from one's place. Children, remember, minuend is greater than the subtrahend, and we can verify the subtraction answer by adding the difference and subtrahend. If the sum is equal to minuend, then the difference is correct. Let us understand this with an example. Subtract 24,250 from 30,175. Here, 30,175 is a minuend and 24,250 is a subtrahend. Arrange the minuend and the subtrahend in a place value chart. Now, let us start the subtraction from one's place digits. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Write 5 in one's place. Now, subtract 10's place digits. That is, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Write 2 in 10's place. Now, subtract 100's place digits. Here, 1 is less than 2. So, we need to borrow from the higher places. That is, 3 will become 2 and 0 will become 10. Then 10 will become 9 and 1 will become 11. That is, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Write 9 in 100's place. Now, subtract 1000's place digits. That is, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Write 5 in 1000's place. Now, subtract 10,000 place digits. That is, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Write 0 in 10,000's place. So, the difference obtained is 5,925. Let us check the answer of subtraction is correct or incorrect. To find the minuend, we use minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. We add difference to subtrahend to get minuend. That is 5,925 plus 24,250. Let us arrange these numbers in a place value chart and add them from one's place digits. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Let us add 10's place digits. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. write 7 in tens column. Let us add hundreds place digits. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Write 1 in hundreds place and 1 as a carry forward to thousands place. Now let us add the thousands place digits. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Write 0 in thousands place. Carry forward 1 to 10,000s place. Now let us add the digits in 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Write 3 in 10,000s column. The sum 30,175 is equal to the minuend given. Therefore, the subtraction answer 5,925 is correct. Properties of subtraction. Property 1. In subtraction, we cannot change the order of numbers. That is, we cannot write 35,183 minus 14,695 as 14,695 minus 35,183. Property 2. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. For example, 50,245 minus 50,245, which is equal to 0. Property 3. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. For example, 36,125 minus 0, which is equal to 36,125. Property 4. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the predecessor of the given number. For example, 49,890 minus 1 is equal to 49,889. Find the missing digits. Let us understand this with an example. Here, the numbers are given, but the digits are missing. We have to find the missing digits. Let us begin with ones place digits. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Write 2 in ones column box. Now, let us take tens place digits. Box minus 3 is equal to 7. Since 3 is less than 7, we add 7 and 3. That is, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Write 0 in tens column box. Now, let us take hundreds place digits. 5 minus box is equal to 5. Since tens place digit is 0, we have borrowed 1 from hundreds place digits. Therefore, digit 5 will become 4. So, 4 minus box is equal to 5. Since 4 is less than 5, we add 5 and 4. That is, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Therefore, write 9 in hundreds place box. Now let us take thousands place digits. Box minus 8 is equal to 6. Since 8 is greater than 6, we add 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Since we have borrowed 1 to hundreds place, that is 14 plus 1, that is equal to 15. Write 5 in thousands place. Now let us take 10,000s place digits. 5 minus 1 is equal to box. Here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. But 1 is borrowed to thousands place, Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Write 3 in 10,000s column box. Therefore, the missing digits are 2, 0, 9, 5 and 3. Word problem. Before solving the word problem of subtraction, we should know the terms or words used for subtracting the numbers. The words are difference, less, how many more, deduct, minus, take away, decrease. If you find any of these words in a word problem, it means you have to subtract the numbers. Example: in a competitive exam, there were 1,94,673 registered applicants. Out of these, 1,39,807 candidates appeared for the exam. How many applicants did not appear for the exam? Children, kindly note did not appear, which indicates that we have to subtract from the total applicants' number. Let us write the statements. The first statement would be total number of applicants registered for the exam, that is equal to 1,94,673. The second statement would be number of candidates appeared for the exam, that is equal to 1,39,807. We have to find the number of applicants who did not appear for the exam. Here, 1,94,673 is a minuend and 1,39,807 is a subtrahend. Let us arrange the numbers in a place value chart and subtract. Let us begin the subtraction from ones place digits. Here, 3 is less than 7. So, we need to borrow from tens place digit. Then, 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Let us subtract the digits in tens column. 6 minus 0 is 6. Write 6 in tens column. Now let us subtract the hundreds place digits. 6 is less than 8. So we need to borrow from thousands place. 4 will become 3 and 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Write 8 in hundreds column. Now let us subtract the digits from thousands column. Here 3 is less than 9. So we need to borrow from 10,000s place. 9 will become 8 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Write 4 in thousands column. Now let us subtract the digits in 10,000s column. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Write 5 in 10,000s column. Now let us subtract the digits in lakhs place. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 54,866 applicants who did not appear for the exam. In today's video, we have revised subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, properties of subtraction, word problems on subtraction. Dear children, kindly practice mathematics sums every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.